The next question I'm asking is, so Jamaica is smack in the middle of the Caribbean Sea. How in the world does someone come up with the idea to start a bobsled team in Jamaica? And I suppose you're wondering that too, aren't you? So two Americans who lived in Jamaica, George Fitch and William Maloney, they were in a local bar in Kingston imbibing some of the more potent sods we have on the island. Now, I wasn't there, but you have to believe they're also enjoying some of the aromas we have, but don't count me on that. And on this occasion, they were discussing the popular belief in Jamaica that Jamaican women and athletes were the best in the world. Here was your dilemma. There was no way for them to test the former without getting in trouble with their wives, so they decided to put the latter to the test. Now, how many of you have seen Cool Runnings? You remember Sanka Coffee was racing this wooden cart down a winding mountain road? We actually do that in Jamaica. But they saw it and thought it looked like bobsledding, two crazy guys going down the side of a mountain in a cart, except for the ice. And then they discovered that a big part of a bobsled race is a start. You need sprinters. And guess where we have lots of sprinters? Well, actually, you guys have more than we do, but ours are faster, so we still win.